Okay, so I am going to be out on Wednesday, and I wanted to make sure I gave you guys a little bit more clarification on how to work on this mystery grid. It's pretty simple. The first thing you need to do once your grid has been drawn is label all of your boxes, starting at the top left and working your way to the right, all the way from 1 to 35. So as you can see here, I have 1 to 15 so far. I'm going to continue to label all the way to 35. So this is the last box down here. Okay, so pretend like I've got all of the boxes labeled. Then I'm going to look at my picture. I can pull up the picture on my phone, and I'm going to look for the number 1. Number 1 is right here. What I see in the box number 1 is a little bit of a triangle in the corner. So I'm going to go to my box. That is about maybe a quarter of an inch up from this line, and about a little bit more than that on the bottom line. So I'm just kind of blocking that out for myself with measurements, and then I'm going to draw that line in. This line's a little bit thicker. I'm going to make sure that it's a thicker line, and then I'm just going to kind of accentuate this line that I see at the bottom a little bit more. Okay, so I can go ahead and cross that box out knowing that I've done it already. Now I'm going to find box number 2, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to look in here. This line here starts about the same distance as where we left off with this line, and I'm going to draw what I see, thinking about the relationship of space between each line and the grid box I'm drawing into. And that goes right about there. Draw that in. And then finally, this little piece. Actually, maybe not, maybe not. And it's okay if you make a mistake, just erase it. I might actually need to go slant that back a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and then there's that last line goes there. And then there's a little squiggly. And that's pretty much it for box number 2. Finish box number 2. I cross it out. You're going to continue to do that until the entire image has been filled in. Be careful when you get to the facial features like the eyes and the mouth and the nose. Make sure that they line up and they're next to each other and they're not crooked. Okay. Also pay attention to line width. The eyebrow is a thicker line than the line that makes the eyelid. So really accentuate any of those thicker lines that you see, and it will help define the picture better. I hope that helps. Message me if you have any questions, and I will try to get to you. If not, then I'll get to you by Thursday. Have a good day.